Dow Jones Industrial Average, it ends the week higher. For more details, let's go to Deborah Costrin at the NYSE. Deborah?
Thanks a lot, Pim. And it was our third straight weekly gain for stocks.
The government is actually a source of our problems. That the stimulus is not the solution. The stimulus is why the economy is so messed up in the first place. And to stop the spending and stop the money printing. And we have to let free market forces repair the damage done to this economy by government.
If we keep talking about the economy, we're going to lose.
Why is your entire financial future tied to events that you can neither predict or control? We know these are different times today. After two horrific crashes in stocks in the tech bubble of 2000 and the banking crisis of 2008, most investors are no further ahead today on gains than they were 10 years ago. Sure, when the market's up, we forget that risk and losses ever happened. We want to believe that the good times will last forever. So has the government made it all better now?
The unemployment rate is just not going
down. Or could
down.
The other shoe drop once again, once the government stimulus, zero interest rates, and quantitative easing all run their course? What would happen to you if the next market bubble were to burst? Right when you were planning to retire, or worse yet, you already are retired, and a market setback that doesn't rebound forces you to confront a change in your lifestyle. But the fact is, there is a solution to risk without giving up growth. What if your safe money, the money that you plan to live on one day, the money you can't afford to have losses with, could actually outperform your investments? Think that means getting 2% in CDs at the bank? Well, think again. The safe money concepts your Straight Talk Wealth advisor can help you with carry two unprecedented guarantees that bank CDs can't even come close to. One, until you need to spend it, the value of your money for future income will double every 10 years at 7 to 8% rates, guaranteed. Did you double the value of your stocks and mutual funds in the last 10 years? Two, when you need to draw down your funds to live on, you will receive that income as long as you and your spouse both live, even if your account value has been entirely withdrawn down to zero. You never have to worry about spending down your principal in retirement ever again. Want to see how this kind of safe money concept can work in your portfolio? Would you like to see a specific proposal on how you can protect your wealth and prepare and prosper in the coming decade of change in America? Call now to 888-882-5578. 888-882-5578 and request your Straight Talk Wealth Retirement Roadmap for no charge and no obligation. It's a 2-minute call. You simply leave your contact information with the operator and 2 times one of our Straight Talk Wealth advisors to call you back during the week. They'll call you back later in the week to ask you 6 basic questions to get a financial snapshot of your situation. When do you want to retire? Or are you already retired? What level of income will you need at retirement to preserve your lifestyle? What resources will you have to get there? And specifically, what rate of return will be required to meet those needs? Find out by calling 888-882-5578 now. That's 888-882-5578. Within a week, your advisor will have prepared your personalized retirement roadmap study for no charge and no obligation. From your study, you'll see how by increasing the rates of return you can get on your safe money, it reduces the pressure you need on the rest of your investment portfolio that you may leave at risk. Call 888-882-5578. 888-882-5578. Receive our specific illustrated plan to steer you through the economic and financial minefield of potential market volatility, inflationary or even deflationary pressures of this country in the next decade. Get a personalized plan based on your specific situation, needs, and your goals for no cost and no obligation. Call 888-882-5578. 888-882-5578. That's 888-882-5578.
So tonight I'd like to talk about the economy.